Dabia makacho sebe kan se ne simi etie. Dabia asma kacho se emfa bi enkan ne yenyi bi so emfa efremo. Mede dia kwasi ensi asemi ne kabre na edusi. Yemfa na sekese enkoma Morta Guinness. Dabia kan ya kacho se adokodoko de kama. Ya wonya bi enu abetimi aboa tena hoache. Enwenu no ya ahye moment no. Dabia da wo ahode ya le be ya adwuma. Pebi to Ghana ba bi eton anonom de bia. Ba auto akawu so be the proudly made in Ghana logo no ebohom. Maka so this week enkomo ayedi about flood and decongestion e Greater Accra Mantam emu. Na some no ka say the mayor animum penfo nyina enam Kwame Nkrumah circle. Ya manfo ati bia ye ni kwaso obotena no. Ya sha say eyomo Adom afro na meka say menua owusu ewo awone so na mekwaram ni owusu ekwadi kumo no twafo ni efa nkyerem. Say na Kwame Nkrumah circle etiene alopai owusu.
Yo, senior omanfo enimno enida eye Accra Metropolitan Assembly eye AMA ene womo tax force etc montinso echo 2 eye edwedifo a womo ewo eye enkran ene de keka womo ton ade ewo kwan ho ene de eye da etoso mienu a eye operation ekoso na ene de eye new plan station eye Kwame Nkrumah circle enchemu ha enuanum a womo edidwa ewa ha no ana national security for aba yi womo enema ewa ha timohwe infoni ekoso ya womo nema na womo asisa womo ede koi yebedu ane ehu se enipa bi mu eye wona adwene se womo emma ho kwan ma dwumadie ne enkoso enu ntina posifoi ede womo achimu baako ede akoto ede akọ womo eka mu amenu kasei womo ede na akọhye kan mi yele omanfo a womo ha bi edi nkomo because anya yes oto ade wa but me to ade wa me to cosmetics wa say abaya fo na de aba ha om dia 5 million om dia be see ase Cisco fo no o mato wa fa say aha ne omodia omo baby amato wa no omo tu wa ma me Cisco fo no so omonti for number one mono papa ben for number Cisco for nisam and no say next bus stop I say next bus stop I say musi ya park here ne mena musi pavement to stand for na containers dey asawo no that's not so me sir that's not so me sir obi am ya try 8 years what together just 5 months Mutuina, if I near call, Mimini baby, I'm never call, Mini baby, I'm a call. Men now told how much Miss Augustus near to me, hard music. Must say, I am playing him, Yabe, Massa Soba to you. Massa and Yamena, says for the fair blabonco, or bus stop, or Danny. All right, also turned there.
Mimintia CSA, bus stop near me, you know. Bus stop near me, you know. One man pump the other side, and over pump, what the other side, you know. Oh, to you, what is there? After the most pavement. And go for some Tonyama pavement, or one man Pamomo. Now, what to any Marciano Musi? What to any Marcia say, Yan Fio? Okay, Mumusi bus stop. Ye bus stop, nephew. Ye bus stop, ye Yamanafi bus stop on the move. But stay, you never go to stay almost there. Almost there, because of the man original, only Cisco, what Mr. Tinga, or person tongue assassin, or the assassin manager for no. Or I question demarcation say, you're too our Ghana, you're too straight, you're too halfway. Whoa, into the say, yeah, animal in I should drop. And I beg you, one say, oh, Pame, if you had to say, and the assassin commander Nigeria for. What if this be that? What if that? Who's the market? Market is so more Jumawa. Yet me call 140 my who buy one day more last week Tuesday. And cause confusion be so cause ewaha and Asem to Accra memo be ewaha confusion be cause ya pese hu de ntia wo mo etwe ne kono enya Asem to Accra wo ma run atare akra gidigidi bi esi wa ha enya small confusion kra ana wo mo de abrante ne kono
Woma so ni mu ede ne ko no munim papa na omde ne ko munim
aha na e wo no matra so many years
me say papa na omde ne ko munim
minim no ano wo ya mom ya tu afo nyina
no ye de papa na omde ne ko
otontale wo ha masa do mo ye no
eti otontare wo ha no ne ne ma ne wen
ne no ma no wasi asesa asesa jese musi bu payment ko pa ya asesa ni nyina afiri ho ande ti de no ma ko gwa chia ho na GH moto amamo na mo ye se ye de to ba yi jo amama esi ho ade ti bu de mu ye ni di pani di same na mo ye se na eye ko ga wo se bo bibi ade na se ba stop ko ade se ba stop ko.
All right, yen ko baby a police for no e wono ase abrantie no wo mo achi no e de ne ko ehyan nim me pese ye ko ne ye hwe baby a wo mo de ne eko aposifo gu ha pa anya asem keto abambofo e wa ha wo mo wa ha abrantie no mo aha wo mo de na akọ sheka nim ana wo de na akọ sheka nim e wo ho no eti no aposifo no achi no ono omode na aheka mu ho. All right, yensan ko baby a eye sin no ekoso ana situation ekoso no na yenkotwa ho mfoni no emam na obepie mu ewo new plan station enchen wa eye aposifo ene national security ana womo aba abetu eye ejodifo a womo ton ade ewo bus stop a ewo new plan station enchen epe na ejodifo ewa ha no na ekamea yese mentimi wansi bi ya ba wo mo ne aposifo ene national security for no entem se wo mo empene ema wo mo ensisa wo mo ene ema no ntimi no ka sei operation no egusu ekoso a nema na wo mo chiko no wo mo fridge wo mo box a wo ma bo a wo mo de credo ato ano sa box ni credo wo mo nema egum nini na no national security for ne aposifo yi twini na de afiri ha se enya ade a sese wo mo edidwa ewa ha etina mo hwei enema no na boys ewa ha aboa national security for a wo mo twini ma no ekọ ya pese yenya eye national security for empeni for any national security for empeni for bi ne twetwe nkomo na ye bi so operation na omo eye ewa ha no eye ha ye na wo mo de besi anase wo mo ebeto aso e de akobefufo wo mo a wo mo chi omo na posifo de omo kọ no enuanu ma na omo ton ade wa ha na wo mo empini so se ye be form ne man aposifo no e de omo agusha mu e de omo ekọ.
Okay, enti wo share near etwagu ye na a live report from Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Penfo a epam adwadefo a etibia ni kwaso motena. Na adwadefo no bi ebuafu eke komonsam asuzu anu se adwadefo ne e de Rebecca achro NDC ne to abade maamo ene machase yetu ye free wonom abato be se normal. Baba to weba ma sa slice we. E be se hwe for the past 20 years. Ye 10 major decongestion exercise won cry. Now the bobo areas no so chirewa na wa bisa ho say ekosi say. So now I'm the next slide. From 2005 to 2025. 2005 AMA decongestion exercise our Central Business District CBD. Now 2007 2 years after and yes, I another one on the same area. Yeah, go to the next slide. From now to 2009, and yes, I another one. It was CBD, Kaneshi, Circle, and Atema Station. 2 years after 2007, that was 2009. Now 9 years after 2018. And the same AMA every year, another one was Circle and Akaneshi. And another one. Now 2019, and Medina, Lankwantana Medina Municipal Assembly eye ba ko Medina Zongo Junction and na owura Henry Court time 2021 oye ba ko so Agbobloshi 2023 July and na say another decongestion it was CBD. It from 2005 to 2023 yan county decongestion called CBD no yan county almost best 5. 2023 August and Ablekuma North Municipal Assembly eye ba ko Dakuman afe Kokompe Dakuman Kokompe area onum. The last one a year in May 2025 and ye Kimbu Railways ECG Junction Kentakita Wias Nafe a year Kwame Kuma Circle day. Sustenance. Tenu apani frame catch him say ene ya ba oso ka se enkusiaga. For the past 20 years, these are the 10 major decongestion. You come major now. All sudden, the air cost no. Sunday say, in fact, a big quite next to scratch and my bobo see, and I young no pay. Adding the same area, it's me decongestion 5 to 6 times one place. Baby, be a kutum crofon that day. Now they say one is a kutumo, a sadomo free. Sustenance. We hope and pray. So this one will be our green card. So at least wait there. And we share the years intervals in Sua. Asem. And I'm about to be a cancer. I wish said the Accra mayor a bit taking it up. Say a buyer for the budget 500 cities. And a dear better now baby a tear my bomb was about to. I wish you investigate it. Because an anime can say Kinzuba as an biano. No can you say, obey you soon the boys. The business I didn't know you see Kumasi a came a task force or say, Uko Kumasi Central Business District, do more. Ya wo KM task force e don na for edika e wo kwam. Oyi task force na ye wo a police force gina ho mu a amafo edika e wo kwam. That's what make us say eti ababe senior Kizuba the enti ya no one person be issue the task force no ka say all the boys 10 no. So I wish the mayor would take it up. Na san crofone afomo abaye na ye fi se pedwa mankofo ye so biya do biya egum ediko no ye hwem na so biya yade a ensefota ye nyom free task force nim one area from 2005 to 2025 yeah 5 or 6 decongestion one area. Oh, my watch on a pay.
Well, draw attention to. I support your cause, but don't use the KM mayor's example no, as something that we can use in times like this when we are reset. It was a reckless statement that was needless and uncalled for. It cannot be a good example. You need Kwame's a selling for a man pencil. So throw that somewhere and let us not give it mileage. You won't conform you specifically to take care of these things. It will be to confirm the boys. Then you never for your boys back. What will be the relevance of our security agencies? So that one was so uncalled for and reckless. Number 2, Mahama continues to be the hope in the reset agenda. Inti men ka say, Penyimu free o kachire se kachire penyimu krone say, because Bribia de 2 and more central for Okahomeka, ya no big MPP time. Ye Kasasa, they were forced to retreat. We have also played a role. Don't delete us from it. We have also played a role in making sure, say, a 24 moti baby any kwanso or motinano. Because when they come to us crying and misrepresenting the situation, now we talk too much. And to me, I decided to say, for the person complaining. When we feel the heat, we will change. Into sustainability, it will be sustained if you help the mayor. If I keep telling citizens that, aban ahodo nyina ba beye ensiaga we die man ntwa ho nko ebisiaga it will help us na ye nyina ebesa fa camera ko si obanim ana mi wuo me manan me nkɔwe abo obawe nchine kora awe. This is where we have gotten to now. So ya tina sia so nneoma so sa manyo semti we nso ayeye attack two people, the media and the political actors ubehu na party for na hyase ye bre na wo here na de obam ye lose vote 2028. These are the major issues. Ye bre na wo here ana obam ye lose 2028 but say mo back na be gare yi na yasa so se kai se kai at the end of the day we have been irresponsible people but trying to get responsible solutions. It's not done anyway. It's not done. Me that's for this advocate, but let us all feel the heat. And now, me nam kwaso, me nam kuruma, we say 4 stores. Biton semen, biton more, biton ensure not destroy everything. As human as we all are, we put up the faces. But we have arrived at this point mainly because of all of us our irresponsibility. We cannot continue to be responsible and expect that the country will grow. It's not possible. We cannot continue to be thinking of Power 2028 at the expense of the growth and development of the country and its citizens. It's not done anyway. It's not done.
Unfortunately, it looks as if say the schools now, political science no. We need to rearrange some of the courses now in
Well, it's not even about that. And yesterday to Nekusi, I said it that every year, Biano, jobs in need and courses that are relevant for Iwiasi baby. Because if you have OIC, now you may be that's why we use typewriter. Clearly, Omeka's typewriter was significant. But are you telling me that in times a man who do IT ni mind maybe explore the biggest height? It be Korean addition all of us what we are doing here, a one lawyer.
Business management. About the political side department. Yes, our thinking for politics or forming political party, it seems say we are only relying on forming political party to win political power. But if CTA say forming political parties, so you say to shape the minds and ideas in moving the country forward, maybe a bit me move from this kind of party penibity baby fee say idea me or no no best say you vote rather looking at the national interest because now okay yehunu okuvanda point ya boati jan yehunu Henry Cote no akasa party no complain say or started say what to sana mo onu akasa party members reporting to president kwase yam pam no free baby ote the reason say obey lose vote.
Okay, but that's it.